Hello guys, welcome to NS channel. In this video, we are going to see our first bug called metadata. So let's see what is metadata. So I'm opened a browser, Firefox browser. So I'm going to a website called Coursera. So when I click here, so the website is open. You see, there's a lot of images in this website. So when I right click this image, and it's saved as a desktop. So when I click save, so it will be saved to my desktop. So here, when I right click it, when I go to properties, when I click details, see all the details has been shown here. So if this nothing shows here, so they taken photographer name, so nothing has been shown here. So this website has a secured metadata. That means so you are uploading an image. So if you log in for students, if you logged in and uploaded an image of your image, so it contains metadata means if hacker downloaded your image and see all the information and you can gain information about whether you like all the things using this metadata. So I close this. So just go to google.com. I'm typing here an image. See, in internet there are lot of images. So when I click this image, so this image is from Towards Data Science. Right click, save as desktop. I save this image. So when I go to this, there is the file. Then I click, going to property, click on details. So nothing else shown here. So this website is also safe to use. So if you have no time to check one by one, so there is a website called Emita DATA check. Just type this in Google. So there are more number of websites to check metadata. So I'm suggest to use metadata to go metapigs like these websites. So I'm using metadata to go. So I just side minimize this thing. So I just browse, click here. So otherwise, just click and drag to it. Start analyze. So we need to wait for 2 to 3 seconds to analyze. So it analyzing, see, giving all the details. So file name is, so file size, file type, file extension, memory type, so image width, so all the things has been shown here. These are the authorized type to show in website about my image or any kind of documents. So it should not show latitude or longitude like your locations, your name, who saved this. So I want to clear one thing. Metadata is not only within the image, but also for text documents. When I right click, go to properties and click details. See, even this document file as a metadata. So you're not a document, even an executable file as some metadata stored in this detail section. So why this metadata is important to check? Because consider Instagram. In Instagram, you guys know more number of people using Instagram. If someone posting her picture with this metadata means, so I can capture the metadata downloading and using this meta finder. I'm just right clicking, go to properties, details to check all the details of that image. So this is an example video. I didn't show you any detailed information about this metadata. Okay, see there is no details in this. So some of them are giving a fake metadata details. When clicking here, so it is a DANG dangerous, giving subjects, so giving fake ratings, so giving tags commands, like giving fake author name, so date taken, so all the copyright things, it can be created fakely. So if you don't want to create fakely, just I want to erase all the things means just click here, remove properties personal information, and just by clicking here and what the things you want to erase or anything by just clicking on it or just select all, just press OK. So all data will be cancelled. So this is one of the simplest bug and also a serious type of bug because metadata give and all the information about an image, using an image or any documents. if we see here top 15 file formats, this website supports to see metadata. See Microsoft Windows bitmap, GIF, document files, and Excel files, MP3, JPG, zip files, MP4 files, WAV files, PDF, MKV, AVI, PNG, text files, so MP4. So these 15 file formats supported by this website. There are more number of formats using metadata. Okay guys, you understand what is metadata is and how to erase metadata or how to remodify the metadata. So how to find the metadata using these websites. Then if metadata is present in Facebook or Instagram, so what problem it will be created by you by hackers to a normal people. So these are all important thing when we enter into a bug bounties. So most of the website didn't clear this by typing image. Just type image. I'm going to image. See, there's a lot of website here. Wikipedia, Pixabay, help.adobe.com, StockSnap, so Shutterstock, Unsplash. So there are a lot of websites. So each website different website and famous websites. So you can check by downloading this. So one number of images. So one number of websites that uses all the images. Consider if a website using image, there is a chances to get a metadata. I hope guys you understand what is metadata and how to find it. So if you find this metadata, so if you I'm using this website. Okay, I am in image.ping. So if you find it, so this image has serious metadata problem. You are downloading this and showing all the details about the author name. So not in copyrights. So some of them use this for copyrights. So in this type of favorite photographers use their names. So when I control plus S save, when I save here, I just click details. Some of them used to promote their companies, like yeah, copyrights. So author means they want to repeat the names and his company and copyright this photo to Adobe Stock like that. So that and all not come under the bug. So if you got bug means if you got in here, if you got any locations or any kind of things. So one trick to find exactly what metadata is. Take your phone, capture any image of you or your family members or friends, just upload it to this website. So you see if the locations are being visible, so your phone is generating a metadata. So there's nothing. So your photo is safe. So your phone is not generating metadata. Or if you didn't trust this website, just open a photo like this, just right click, go to properties, click on details. You see all the details like everything. So if you want that image without metadata, just click here. So remove this file, then select all, just okay to erase all the metadata. So I hope guys you understand what is metadata. Thank you for watching. We see you in the next vlog in next video. Thank you for watching.